Assalamualaikum and good day. A bit to everyone listening to our Riches Speaker Corner for episode 20. I'm Iza Fatina binti Amrzali as the moderator for this episode. So today, I will introduce about our speaker first. His name is Muhammad Akmal Fikri bin Abdullah, second year student from Bachelor of Science Plantation Management. And today's topic for his speaker corner is management of selected insect pests. Without wasting our time, let me invite Fikri to start his sharing session.
Can you see my slide?
Yes.
Okay, so my topic today is about management of selected insect pests. Okay, so what is the insect pest? The insect pest, less than the 1% of all species are those insects that are feed on, compete with for food with, or transmit disease to human, livestock, and also crops. Based on my previous SEM, I have learned about the entomology subjects conducted by Dr. Azura Adam. So she tell me about the integrated pest management to control the pest. So what is the integrated pest management (IPM)? IPM is an ecosystem-based strategy that focus on a long-term prevention of pests through the combination of techniques such as a cultural, mechanical, biological, and also the chemical control. Okay, so the selected insect pest that I have choose is rhinoceros beetle, brown plant hopper, and also the red palm weevil. Okay, so we're gonna move to the first. The first is rhinoceros beetle in oil palm plantation. So the taxonomy first. Okay, the common name is rhinoceros beetle. The scientific name is Oritus rhinoceros. It's come from the family of Scarabaeidae and the genus is Oritus. Okay, so we're gonna move to the characteristic of the rhinoceros beetle. They have two horns, one on the top of the head and the other projecting forward from the middle of the thorax. And the rhinoceros beetle can fly strongly and attracted to the light at night. It's become a major pest of oil palm. Okay, so we're gonna move to the symptoms of the oil palm due to the rhinoceros beetle. Okay, the first one is the young leaves that come out will be shaped like a fan at the ends. So it is various. It's a obvious symptom that you can see or you can look by your own eye. And the second is a dark rhino beetle attacked by consuming the fluids on soft tissue. So you can look there is a hole at the oil pump. And the last one is the tree that are seriously attacked will cause death. Okay, so let me move to the integrated pest management. So for the integrated pest management, I have choose three methods, which are cultural method, biological method, and also the chemical method. So for the cultural method, we can use a sanitation of oil palm plantation where the oil palm stem need to be removed. So we can avoid the breeding ground or breeding area for the beetles. And after that, we can check the young oil palm tree more often. If we find a hole in the pit, then we can dig up the lava and destroy them. Okay, so for the biological method, we can plant a ground cover beans, and also we can use a stingers, Scolia spp, because it's a natural enemy of the beetles. Okay, for the chemical method, we can use cypermethrin or we can use a carbofuran poisoning. So, and we can also can use a pheromone to control the rhinoceros beetle. Okay, so for the second selected insect pest is brown plant hopper in paddy. Okay, so we will look at the taxonomy first. The common name is brown plant hopper. The scientific name is Nila parvata lugens. It's come from Delphacidae family and the genus is Nila parvata. Okay, so the characteristic of brown planthopper is we gonna look at the egg, the nymph, and also the adult. Okay, the eggs are laid in a group of 2 to 12 in a leaf sheath. It's white, transparent, the slender, cylindrical, and also the curved egg in a straight line in two rows. Okay, we're gonna move to the nymphs. The fleshly height nymphs is a cottony white, 0.6 millimeter long, and it turns to purple brown. Okay, an adult hopper is 4.5 until 5 millimeter long and has a yellowish brown to dark brown body. So we're going to look at the symptom that caused by the brown planthopper. Okay, the first symptom of caused by the uh, brown planthopper is hopper burn. Hopper burn is a yellowing, browning, and drying of a field of paddy. So it will like if it's like example you put a boom in a paddy field. It's like a circle area of a yellowing of drying paddy. And the second symptom at the early infestation, the circular yellow patches appear, which soon turn brownish due to the drying up of the plant, and is resulting in incomplete rise because of the attack on the stage stalk formation. Okay, so for the integrated pest management to control this pest, I have choose four methods which include the cultural, mechanical, biological, and also the chemical. So for the cultural, we will draining the rice field for 3 to 4 days in the early stage of infestation. We also avoid the close planting to reduce the pest incidence. Okay, so for the mechanical method, we can use a yellow pen trap during a daytime, and we can use a light trap during the night. Okay, so for the light trap, we will fill with water, and also we will put a kerosene to kill the trapped insects. Okay, so for the biological method, we will use Lycosa pseudoannulata during the peak of incidence, and we can use the common parasite of the egg, which are hymenopteran webs. And for the chemical method, we can use the botanical methods which are more environmental friendly. For example, like neem oil and also neem seed kernel extract. And we have to avoid using the insecticide causing resurgence. For example, like the synthetic phytophthora and also the Fenthion. Okay, so we will move to my last point, which are red palm weevil in the coconut. Okay, so for the taxonomy, the common name is red palm weevil. The scientific name is Rhynchophorus ferruginous, and it's come from Curculionidae family, and the genus is Rhynchophorus. Okay, so there are few characteristic if we want to recognize this pest. The first is the egg in the crown of the palm tree are cream colored, elongated, and about 3 millimeter long. The full grown larvae in the trunk are 5 centimeter long, cone shaped, cream colored, and have no legs. The adult are 2 to 5 centimeter and have a reddish brown color with a black spots. Okay, so what are the symptoms caused by red palm weevil? The first one is adult beetle dig in shoots and eat a soft coconut tissue. It will make a hole in a trunk. The second one is umbrella shape at the coconut branches. So it is very obvious symptom that you can see. And the third and the last symptoms are they are grated bite on the young leaves. Okay, so for the integrated pest management IPM, I have choose three methods which are cultural, biological, and also the chemical. So for the cultural, we can overthrow the tree that have been attacked by this pest. We can cut into a small pieces and burn it. And we also can have a farm cleaning to throw away the breeding ground or breeding area for the red palm weevil. So for the biological method, we can use nematodes and fungi such as Metarhizium anisopliae, and also we can use bacteria like Bacillus sp. And last but not least, we can use chemical control. Uh, for example, like we can use moss ball seeds and also grains of carbofuran poison in a young coconut tree. So, in a conclusion, is very important for the farmers to learn about the pests in agriculture. Farmers manage to solve problems about the pests in their plantation. They could use the integrated pest management IPM as their problem solver. And I hope from my sharing, uh, I hope you can take a benefit and apply it in the future. And I hope you can share it to the others so we can build a high education community uh, in a field of agriculture. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, Fikri, for the very detailed sharing knowledge session just right now. Okay. For all the audience, I would like to say a big thank you for your support and appreciate your flexibility to listen to this speaker corner. Hopefully, we will meet again and we will gain knowledge from the sharing session. Till we meet. Okay, that's all from me. Till we meet again for the next episode. Assalamualaikum and goodbye.